Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make welcome channel in Discord MEE6. The first thing I want you to do is actually open up the Discord server where you want the welcome channel, and then next to text channels I'll click on this plus icon and we'll name this one welcome channel. Okay, and make sure it is set as the channel type text, and then you can go ahead and create your channel. After this, we can bring this here at the top, for example, wherever you want to place it. Just go to your browser, type in MEE6, open up the first link that says MEE6.xyz, and then come here, click on Add to Discord, and then it will open up this pop-up. You need to authorize your Discord account. Go ahead, scroll down, click here on Authorize, and then after that, you can close this, return to your browser, and now you select this server. So if we come back here, this is the bot server. So I'll set it up right here, click on Setup, and now we need to allow permissions. There you go, here on Discord, scroll down, make sure it's set to Add to Server, and it's the same server you're having right there. Click on Continue, give it all of these permissions, click on Authorize, and then we come back here to MEE6, and as you can see right here at the top left, it should show bot server. So right now it's asking us if we're using it for business purposes. I'll just say no, personal use. So I want to get rid of their survey so we can actually go ahead and do the setup. I'll close this. Now what I want you to do is scroll down here, and under plugins there's essentials. By the way, these are premium features. So welcome channel, you just come here, click on enable, click on activate welcome channel, and then you come here and you can customize everything. Of course, you can edit things, you can remove these if you want, type in your own things. Let's say hello, change the banners as well. Okay, and once you're done, you just go ahead and click on publish. By the way, it is a premium feature, so you need to upgrade it to premium. But it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix